Yeah. Wow. Hey, what's up, Rob? Reading an article about Porsche's new EV that's coming out, the Taycan. All right, so market rallying on China news today. You can see we got above the resistance point right there. Um, so that's pretty encouraging. Pretty full day so far today. A little bit of gap up on the Qs. You can see right there, pretty nice gap on the Qs. Um, so market's still in a confirmed uptrend. I want to see how many distribution days we have here currently. 5 on the Nasdaq, 4 on the S&P. So we're kind of in high distribution territory. A couple more of these, and we're going to go back into a correction. Today could be a good sign, though. Could end up with another follow through day, but it looks like we're at least breaking overhead resistance and moving higher, which is good. Unfortunately, that takes gold down. Um, Gold down about one and over almost 1.8%, 1.8% now today. Little gap down from yesterday. So far, not a lot of volume, which is good, but you can see here on the 5-minute chart, we definitely have more volume today so far than yesterday. So we'll have to overcome that in gold. Um, and so let's see what's working. We got JD.com. This is a China play. Looking not too bad right there, actually. AMD trying to work its way higher. Kiwi still doing what it's doing. Carvana still looking like it's poised to break out. So you can pick this guy up over 84.7. Booking.yeah appears to start to break out of its little low level consolidation. Not a ton of volume this morning, but definitely some volume this morning. That's looking like that could get going. Winnebago, EPAM, INS, CSNT, Snap looking pretty good still. Intuit, trying to get towards recent highs there, 295. OKE, still tightening up. That's some coiling action there. Trying to get past that, was a 72 resistance level. That's for a multi-year breakout. RealPage, similar situation. ZTO at 21. We were looking at 20 for a breakout. It's been above that for past week or so. It's been kind of slow moving, but it's at least moving. So we finally got over 20 right there on really good volume. And it's been a little choppy, but finally, look at all this volume recently. Able to move higher. ZTO looking good. BLD, Sherman-Williams, HEI, ANIC, Lope, Funco. Looks like it's still working its magic. Stars looks like it stalled a little bit yesterday, trying to breach over the trend line there. Starbucks today. Starbucks yesterday had a massive day. Just a massive turnaround day. You can see right there was just pretty much bought up all day long. This morning selling off a little bit. We'll see if we're able to hold this as a low and then maybe continue higher. It took a little bit yesterday for Starbucks to get going. Finally started moving in about an hour from now. It's 7 o'clock my time. This is 8 o'clock on the chart. So finally started to break northwards of the opening range. Reversed around 7:10, 7:10, 7:15. So we'll see if there's a time component here. Maybe, maybe not. You never know. Atlassian firmly underneath that trend line now. We noticed a lot of red days. Yeah, SLV took a hit too. Everything took a hit, commodities wise, with the market rallying. Match.com taking a hit this morning for some reason. Facebook dating is here. So, Facebook taking out some competition. Excuse me. AMD lately has been a little strange. Try to break higher there. So far has failed several attempts at it. Kind of a consolidation on kind of low volume. Not horrible, but definitely not great. Let's see what IBD's got to say today. All right, Slack plunges. OLED doing good today. OLED with a massively wide pattern. And actually today trying to break over what appears to be a base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a flat base for OLED, and it's breaking it today, right now, actually. Yeah, it looks like 218 and change, which is right there. So you have some good volume this morning, and OLED does appear to be moving. So that would be a traditional breakout from a flat base. And it looks like it's going to be second stage base. So this is a buyable base for OLED right here with the current volume. You can even see on the daily chart here, we're already almost half of average volume. So that's pretty good for 30 minutes into the day. That should keep rocking as long as the market keeps rocking. And market's already at 0.1% more from when I last talked about it. So that's pretty good right there. Chip-led stock rally snaps resistance. So let's talk about the recession for a second. There's a lot of talk about recession going on. Inverted yield curve. And while it may come, most of the time it's about a year out. About a year out from the inversion. So keep that in mind. There's definitely some definitely some potential for further gains in the meantime here. Actually, I'm not sure if this qualifies as a second stage base. This would be a base on base pattern, which is actually very good. You suck. It's like my line has a timeout feature on it. 264. Let's do 263. Yeah, I don't think it's bad to be investing here. Yeah, look, this is the game that you play. The market gives you some bad news, China tariffs, right? That's our bad news right now. The good news is the market's rallying. Which one do you listen to? Do you listen to the news or do you listen to the markets? In most cases, you want to listen to the markets. Okay, in most cases, you want to listen to the markets. Now, there could be another thing that comes out tomorrow that takes the market back down another notch. Um, but you invest or you don't. That's pretty much your job here, is to make it a determination on that. Um, so I've had some positions, obviously gold being a large position, getting eaten up today. But yeah, I think you get back invested in stocks. You do your kind of normal trading plan. We are in an uptrend, even if we do have fairly high distribution day count. So you just keep on keeping on. You fight the good fight there. All right, gold, another little leg down, 1.92% now. Starbucks looks like it is attempting a reversal. We'll see if it actually occurs. So attempting a reversal there out of what was yesterday just a really fantastic day. Um, Really, the price gap down. We were driven lower, hit the 50-day moving average, and then we bounced up. Didn't quite get to the close, and we'll see what happens today. Hopefully today we'll be able to stay. I mean, hopefully we'll be positive today. Any positive close today would just be a bonus. Would just be really good. I think Carvana is really one to be checking out personally. It's a leading stock in a hot sector, and it's doing pretty good right there. Um, that's probably one of my favorite ones right now, other than Starbucks, if it can break out. Constellation Brands (STZ). This guy, like I said, stalling at recent highs, but this is definitely one to keep an eye on for some increased. Um, you want to look for increased action on it. Nasdaq 1.73, doing good. Yeah, right, Eli? Yeah, I was sleepy today. I think I must have taken my alarm off because I didn't have an alarm. Excuse me. All right, Starbucks 1.77. Let's go to the global watch list. Let's go see what's cracking up here. NIO, Tilray up 7% today. There you go. NIO. The hell did I just delete Tilray? How did I do that? Where did it go? Oh, there it is. All right, so Eli asking about Tilray. I think it was yesterday you asked about Tilray, and up 7%. That is quite a big move. So this must have been a massive move. I was up 17%. Oh, I didn't see the percentage. That's a pretty big percentage bar. Didn't quite realize that. Wow. Yeah, 7% for Tilray. Oh no, it's a pretty big move. No basing structure yet though. NIO, TTMI trying to come off lows. All these are down low. FIVE is one that's trying to get higher and kind of up here in a larger base. Micron trying to break out as well. Doing pretty good action right there. TNA. Goose Artec. Not a lot of great stocks here in the upper echelon of the movers today. THO, Cena, Urban. Xilinx looking pretty decent. Eli grabbing some NVIDIA. Let's go check out NVIDIA. OTEX, big day today. Yesterday, too. We haven't looked at NVIDIA in a little bit. Oh, that looks pretty. I'm so pretty. I'm so pretty. Yeah, that looks pretty good there, Eli. It's like, look at my girlfriend. She's pretty. Your girlfriend is pretty. 193, huh? Yes, Ethan. Um, yeah, for a little bit. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, Nvidia's not bad. I still don't like the fact that it's way down here off of the highs, but I guess it could be a turnaround play. Not a tremendous. I mean, it's pretty much Nvidia and AMD, so there's surprised AMD isn't higher relatively, because Intel doesn't really have the graphics chip game on lock. Um, that's between Nvidia and AMD, and AMD sits between the graphics and the main processor, so it has both. Maybe it just sucks at both. Yeah, I'm not mad at Nvidia right here at all. Actually, it looks pretty decent. Looks pretty good. Hopefully, the market continues rally. We'll probably see Nvidia and a lot of these stocks. A lot of stocks trying to break out right now. Actually, are the ones we look at. A lot of them sitting at highs. We noticed the majority of stocks haven't been pulling in. They've been maintaining relatively high status, and Nvidia's just been tightening up this whole year. So pretty good for Nvidia there. Where is it at? 4.84. Oh, did I already pass it? Oh, I don't have it on my global watch list. Yeah, I'm slacking on my global watch list. Why can't I get? Stupid. Weird. I don't have weird. I don't have Nvidia on here. But yeah, Nvidia looking good. This uptrend continues. Probably will, likely see much higher prices. 192 over here is recent resistance. That's a minimum pretty good target area. In terms of an actual chart pattern over here, I don't know if there is one yet. I don't think there is a. It doesn't look like a cup and handle. It'd be a very low handle, and it's not a double bottom. That's for sure. Um, I don't think it's high enough to be a flat base. It's probably too deep as well. Yeah, 30% deep. So this is just a consolidation, no major chart pattern here, but not mad at it whatsoever. Let's see what's not working today. ENDP new lows, LVGO new lows, CN new recent lows, undercutting the 50-day moving average today on earnings. Skipped over MongoDB there, Eli. MongoDB down 7%. Eli's going to jump for joy. Ameren. Just never quite could get over the hump. Match.com down today. Facebook opening dating stuff. Roku down 3% today. I'm guessing profit taking off of just a massive, massive run. Etsy IAC down today for some reason. Riot always down. Chegg. Netflix. Netflix is down today. Yeah, they've been kind of under pressure recently there. LK. FIVN, Atlassian under a lot of pressure recently. Starbucks down 0.69%. Looks like so far not able to get over that. Thinking of selling your silver coins. Yeah, it could be. I mean, you could do that, Justin. Not sure why. I mean, really, with the market up, I'm really not happy that Starbucks is not positive today. I got to be honest with you. I'm not happy about that at all. Is this another same headline or a different headline? This is a long article. Maybe there's more slack from that thing than we realize because I'm not happy about that. Earnings benefit from share repurchase in 2020 not expected to be meaningfully below the target outlined in the company's investor day. Um, just reading in my head, I read faster that way. Hmm. Yeah, Starbucks already bought 9.4% of the outstanding shares at the end of 2018, which is crazy. Okay, kind of much of the same article, but we'll see if it's able to reverse course. I hope so. Work down 14%. That's a lot. And Starbucks going to go down here. All right, let's go back down to actionable list. Winnebago rallying today off that 30. That's pretty good. How's Carvana doing? Looking good. Still looks like it's poised to go higher. Kiwi, EPAM. EPAM's looking pretty good up here too. Some coiling action over here. Booking. All right, booking moving. Starting to move it. Volume's still a little bit light though. It's moving though. Very pretty long baser, about a year long. Was not too bad. Gold seems to be just continuing its sell-off here today. Volume's already pretty heavy. As the Nasdaq almost up 2%, 1.93%. Oh, nice. Nice big ass drop right there. I guess the gold trade is just anti-Nasdaq. There's nothing bondy to it at all. Oh, we've jumped up quite a bit on the 10-year too. Damn. It's a big move on the 10-year. So I guess gold is just bond related. Gold must be bond related. I wonder if we're just... I don't like this action in gold at all. Hmm. Damn. 2.5% now for gold down. And Starbucks hopefully coming back there. Not super happy with this GLD move this morning. Still well within trend, just, you never like to see anything go down. Not 2.5% when the market's up 2%. How's our leading stocks doing here? Carvana doing good. Roku coming in a little bit more. Looks like a lot of people got in yesterday. SLV down 4.5%. Man. I mean, I know things need a back end fill a little bit, but and see, this doesn't. I mean, this doesn't look that bad. At the end of the day, it's a difference. I mean, obviously, it's only an hour into the trading session. Not even an hour. This one looks like it's going to continue going lower. Same with gold. Both these look like they're just diving. It's unfortunate situation right there for sure. Wow. Big moves in gold. 2.8%. That's a lot. I'll probably have to close my gold trade. Just closed it. Oh, that sucks. That's going to be the bottom, too. Yeah, I don't know. That's going to be the bottom. Just watch. Just scare the shit out of everybody, including us, and then reverse back higher. Welcome to trading. But that was my stop. That was my freaking stop. I don't know. I kind of hope it keeps falling. Of course, I just sold it, so of course I hope it keeps falling. But look at that volume candle. That's capitulation. That's everyone giving up right there. And right back down towards that pivot point where it broke out. And yeah. Yeah, it just, yeah, too far. That was my stopping point. I really wasn't much I could do about that. And watch it reverse now. Just watch it reverse. Watch it go right back up, you son of a bitch. How's Starbucks doing? Not so hot. Starbucks, I'm not a big fan of this action. It's got to reverse out today in some fashion, but market's up 2%. I'm not sure if it's got a lot of legs left. If you go back to the Qs, we had a pretty massive gap. Obviously, we've come up a little bit, but it's pretty good volume and stuff. I don't know. We'll have to look at that volume. I'm not sure if they're selling or buying that, but yeah, see, it's fucking green, isn't it? You son of a bitch. You know what? They gotta have some algorithm that counts the orders coming in, and then when it crescendos, they just start buying it. It's gotta be what it is. Literally has to be what it is. That's a fucking capitulation candle. Look at that candle. 1.8 million 1.8 million shares versus the previous ones are a third of that. Yeah, I guess that one's, yeah, this one's a third of that. This one's a third of that. A third of that. That's a candle you go long on. Told you he's going to fucking bottom. Damn it. Question is, do you get back in? It's within the trend. You could jump right back into that trade. I don't know. Well, actually, I can't. I just committed a bunch of capital. I bought some TQQQ early this morning, so I can't jump back in. You guys can, though. All right, on that note, I'm leaving. I got to go help get the kids ready for school and come back and watch Starbucks lose me a bunch of money, too. See, I knew the market was up today. I was hoping Starbucks was going to be up. Nope, just got to be more patient, I guess. Needs more time. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll see you later. Bye.